Module 2, Cost Analysis and Decision-Making in Hospitality. Agora Italian Academy, Advanced Course in Analytical Accounting. Management Control and Budgeting. Learning Goals. Understand the role of cost analysis in hospitality management. Differentiate fixed, variable, and semi-variable costs. Apply direct and full costing methods. Perform variance and KPI analysis. Integrate AI and analytics for cost optimization. Cost analysis in hospitality, a key process for managerial decision-making. Transforms financial data into actionable insights. Supports pricing, budgeting, and operational control. Links efficiency, profitability, and sustainability. Cost classification. Fixed costs remain constant regardless of activity, e.g., rent, insurance. Variable costs change with sales or occupancy, e.g., food, laundry. Semi-variable costs mix of both, e.g., utilities, maintenance. Helps in budgeting, forecasting, and break-even analysis. Cost behaviour example. Example, electricity. Fixed charge equals €2,000 per month. Variable equals €3 per occupied room. At 2,000 occupied rooms, total equals €2,000 plus 3 by 2,000 equals €8,000. Managers can project costs under different occupancy levels. Direct costing and contribution margin formulas. CM equals sales variable costs. CM ratio equals CM a sales times 100. Case Hotel Aurora, F&B. Price €100 VAR, cost €40, fixed €180,000 4,000 meals. CM equals €240,000, profit equals €60,000. Useful for tactical, short-term decisions. Full costing and pricing strategies. Direct costing variable costs only short-term. Full costing variable plus fixed long-term. Overhead allocation example. Admin €50,000, rooms 60%, F&B 30%, spa 10%. Combining both ensures accurate, sustainable pricing. Cost control and variance analysis formula. Cost variance % equals actual budgeted times 100. Example. Budgeted F&B €45,000, actual €48,000 plus 6.7% unfavorable. Use variance reports and dashboards to correct deviations early. Departmental case studies. Rooms energy and labor tool. Cost per occupied room result. AI reduced labor 8%. F&B waste and menu mix tool. Menu engineering result. 3% cost reduction. Marketing ROI tool. BI dashboards result. 20% reallocation to high ROI campaigns. Maintenance predictive maintenance tool. IoT sensors 10% annual savings. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Food cost % equals food cost of food revenue times 128 to 32%. Labor cost ratio less than or equal to 35%. Cost per occupied room efficiency index. GOPA profit benchmark. Budget variance plus or minus 5%. KPI dashboards enable proactive management. AI and data analytics for cost optimization. AI and BI tools enable predictive, automated cost control. Predictive forecasting, occupancy, expenses. Automated dashboards, Power BI, Tableau. Anomaly detection, waste, energy peaks. Scenario simulation, IBM, SAP. Smart alerts, threshold breaches. Example, Hilton's Smart Spend 5% annual savings. Managerial insights and takeaways. Point 1. Cost analysis bridges control and strategy. 2. Direct and full costing are complementary. 3. KPIs and dashboards ensure real-time control. 4. AI improves precision and decision speed. 5. Data-driven management ensures sustainable profitability. Next lesson. Module 3 Operational and Financial Budgeting. Agora Italian Academy, Advanced Course in Analytical Accounting. Management Control and Budgeting version 2.0 October 2025.